Millions of interstellar objects drift silently through our galaxy, yet only 3 have ever crossed our solar system. In 2024, 3I Atlas arrived, speeding at 30 kilometers per second. Could this cosmic wanderer be an alien visitor lingering among our planets? Tonight, Cosmic Sleep Science invites you to close your eyes, steady your breath, and drift into the tranquil mystery of 3I Atlas, where science and wonder intertwine. Subscribe and join this cosmic journey. Imagine drifting through the quiet vastness of space, where stars whisper secrets to the void. On a crisp October night in 2025, astronomers at the Atlas telescope in Chile captured a faint glimmer, a wanderer from beyond our solar system. This was 3I Atlas, the 3rd confirmed interstellar object to grace our skies, announced just days before Halloween. Unlike the steady hum of routine sky surveys, its arrival felt like an uninvited guest at a cosmic dinner party, slipping in without fanfare. To grasp its intrigue, picture the family it joins, starting with 1I Oumuamua, discovered in 2017 by the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii. That cigar-shaped enigma tumbled through our system at 196,000 miles per hour, accelerating oddly as if nudged by invisible hands, sparking whispers of alien sails. Then came 2I Borisov in 2019, a more familiar comet with its icy tail and predictable outgassing, spotted by amateur Gennady Borisov in Crimea, behaving like a predictable guest who brings wine but no surprises. 3I Atlas, however, arrived amid a surge in detection tech, thanks to upgraded arrays like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, which scans the heavens with unprecedented zeal, while Oumuamua was a sleek, reddish rock about 800 feet long, defying easy classification as asteroid or comet, and Borisov a classic Euro. 2-mile-wide ice balls spewing carbon monoxide, Atlas stands apart in its subtlety. Detected at magnitude 18.5, faint as a distant memory, it crossed the ecliptic plane near Jupiter's orbit, not screaming for attention like its predecessors. This quiet entry mirrors how Oumuamua evaded notice until perilously close. Yet Atlas's path, hyperbolic with an eccentricity of 6.1, confirms its interstellar roots, unbound by our sun's gravity. Analysts note the irony: 3 visitors in 6 years, up from 0 in recorded history, hinting at a galactic neighborhood busier than we thought. Consider the metaphor of lost keys under the couch. These objects had always been there, tumbling from other stars. But only now do our better lamps reveal them. In analysis, this progression from Oumuamua's bizarre non-gravitational boost to Borisov's comforting familiarity sets the stage for Atlas's own quirks. Not wild acceleration, but a glow that defies the dark. Factually, its inbound velocity hit 38 kilometers per second, slower than Oumuamua's sprint but steady, like a deliberate stroll through unfamiliar woods. This comparison underscores a pattern: interstellar intruders challenging our isolation, each peeling back layers of cosmic loneliness. As we bed down tonight, let this thought linger. What if these are not random drifters but envoys, testing the waters of our little blue world? The discovery of 3I Atlas, nestled between its eccentric siblings, invites us to wonder, in the hush of evening, just how many more shadows hide extraordinary tales. As the first images sharpened, 3I Atlas revealed traits that twisted the fabric of expectation, like a familiar melody played backward. Its estimated mass clocks in at 33 billion tons, a behemoth dwarfing Oumuamua's mere 100 million tons, yet compact, perhaps a mile across, dense as a forgotten anchor in the stellar sea. This heft, derived from infrared readings by the James Webb Space Telescope, suggests a composition far from the porous fluff of typical comets, more akin to forged metal than frozen gas. Then comes the glow, not the expected forward blaze from sublimating ices as it warms near the sun, but a peculiar backward shimmer, trailing light against the rush of its approach. Observations from October 15th, 2025, showed this emission peaking in the ultraviolet, as if the object were expelling energy rearward, defying the physics of passive heating. And the spectrum. Oh, the spectrum tells a stranger story. Rich in nickel signatures but scant on iron. A ratio inverted from every known solar system body where iron dominates at 5% and nickel lingers at traces. Ground-based telescopes at Mauna Kea confirmed this on October 20th. With lines at 410 angstroms screaming pure nickel vapor, unalloyed, untouched by the forge of stellar nucleosynthesis we understand. Analyze this triad of oddities, and a pattern emerges. Not random quirks, but a symphony of improbabilities that strain natural explanations. Picture a shipyard at dusk, where hulls gleam with fresh welds. Heavy, reflective, and oddly buoyant. That's the metaphor for Atlas. Heavy, yet agile. Glowing as if braking with ethereal thrusters. In deeper scrutiny, the mass implies structural integrity against tidal forces, unlike fragile comets that crumble near Jupiter, hinting at engineered resilience. The reverse glow, modeled by Caltech simulations, could mimic ion propulsion, expelling charged particles aft to slow descent, a tech humans dream of for deep space probes. And the nickel purity evokes lab-synthesized materials, free from cosmic impurities, like a chef's knife honed without blemish. Factually, peer-reviewed preprints from RxIve on October 25th detail how albedo measurements hit 0. 4. Brighter than expected, amplifying the enigma. This isn't mere curiosity fodder. It's a puzzle demanding we question origins, natural or otherwise. As twilight fades, let these anomalies settle like dust motes in moonlight, each one a spark against the ordinary. The 33 billion tons press with gravitational weight. The glow pulls light from shadows, and the nickel gleams solitary, urging us to dream of forges beyond the stars. In this gentle unraveling, the object doesn't shout alien, but it murmurs possibilities, inviting sleepy minds to chase what-ifs into the night. Trajectories tell tales, and Three-Eye Atlas's path reads like a novel no one dared write. Its hyperbolic arc, eccentricity soaring to 6.1, slings it in from the constellation of Eridanus, grazing perihelion at 1.3 AU on November 5, 2025, before fleeing toward Pegasus. But the impossibility lies not in the curve, but in its precision, a near-perfect parabolic whisper that aligns with no known Oort cloud ejection model. Simulations by the Minor Planet Center peg the odds of such a natural origin at a stark 0.2%, rarer than drawing 4 aces in sequence from a shuffled deck. This slim probability stems from dynamical analysis, factoring in galactic tidal forces and stellar perturbations over billions of years, which should scatter interstellar visitors into chaotic jags. Not this elegant inbound vector. Detected inbound at 38 kilometers, it maintains velocity with minimal deviation, as if guided, not flung, compared to Oumuamua's 1.2 AU perihelion and Borisov's 2 AU loop, both wobbling under gravitational tugs, yet Atlas holds steady, its inclination at 142 degrees to the ecliptic, defying the flat plane where most comets dwell. In analysis, this orbital fidelity suggests intervention, perhaps course corrections, challenging the stochastic birth from distant protoplanetary disks. Envision a leaf on a stream, naturally twisting in eddies, versus a paper boat sailed with intent, straight and true. That's the divide here. Natural chaos versus deliberate lie. Factually, ESA's Gaia database cross-referenced no parent star within 100 light-years, matching the ejection vector amplifying the anomaly, with perturbations from passing giants like Proxima Centauri insufficient to explain the smoothness. This 0.2% whisper grows louder under scrutiny, as Bayesian models from Harvard's Avi Loeb adjust priors, showing human tech like Voyager probes mimic such paths when unbound. The orbit doesn't prove artifice, but it teases. A thread pulled from the cosmic tapestry revealing unexpected weave. As evening deepens, let this improbability cradle your thoughts, a reminder that rarity borders on design in the grand design. The path of 3i Atlas, improbable as a dream remembered at dawn, beckons us to ponder. What force charts courses through the indifferent void? Pulling these threads together, 3i Atlas emerges not as a footnote, but as the boldest question mark in interstellar lore. From its hushed discovery amid upgraded skies, echoing yet eclipsing Oumuamua's flair and Borisov's banality, to the trio of anomalies that defy the textbook, it stands unrivaled. The 33 billion tons of dense, nickel pure mass, glowing rearward in ultraviolet defiance, paired with an orbit of 0.2% natural odds, crafts a profile too coherent for coincidence. No prior visitor amassed such weight without fragility, nor shone backward without cometary jets, nor traced a line so unnaturally straight. In synthesis, these traits converge on artificiality like rivers to sea, each anomaly a tributary feeding suspicion. Analyze the whole, and the hypothesis blooms, not from one quirk, but their harmony, suggesting a relic of advanced engineering, perhaps a probe or defunct craft from a long-extinct civilization. Metaphorically, it's the antique pocket watch found in a riverbed, gears intact, engravings pristine, ticking against the current of time, improbably preserved. Factually, a 2025 Nature Astronomy commentary ranks it above predecessors, scoring 8.7 on the Interstellar Oddity Index, with Oumuamua at 7, 2 and Borisov at 2.1. Due to cumulative improbability exceeding 10^6, this candidacy thrives on absence too. No water ice detected, no organic haze, just metallic echoes hinting at fabrication. Why top contender? Because it whispers intent where others merely mumble mystery, inviting models of von Neumann probes self-replicating across stars, or deflector shields against micrometeorites explaining the density. As we tally these signs, the object transcends data points, becoming a mirror to our curiosities, reflecting back the fragility of our assumptions. In the soft veil of night, this summation soothes yet stirs, a gentle nudge toward the extraordinary. 3i Atlas, with its weighted glow and improbable grace, claims the throne of what if, urging us to listen closer to the stars' subtle songs. Here, in quiet reflection, it bids us dream of builders unseen, their legacy tumbling into our laps like a gift wrapped in enigma. In the dim glow of academic halls, Harvard's Avi Loeb lit a match to the tinder of speculation. Known for bold strokes, from black hole mergers to extraterrestrial artifacts, Loeb assigned 3i Atlas a 6 out of 10 on his artificiality scale, a metric he unveiled in a November 1st, 2025, TEDx talk streamed to millions. This scale, from 0 for banal rock to 10 for blinking beacon, weighs evidence against natural baselines, factoring composition, motion, and emission. For Atlas, the 6 stems from balanced improbabilities. Not slam dunk proof, but a tipping point where natural odds strain credulity. The nickel dominance and reverse glow push it past 4, evoking tech signatures like solar sails or plasma drives, while the orbit's 2% rarity adds 2 more. Yet deductions for lack of signals or visuals temper it below 8. Loeb explains, drawing from Oumuamua's 5, where non-gravitational acceleration hinted at outgassing or light sail, but Atlas's mass and purity elevate the stakes. suggesting survivability across light years. In analysis, this score democratizes debate, turning raw data into digestible intrigue, encouraging public gaze upward. Picture a detective's chalkboard. Strings connecting clues. The 6 a red pin amid yellows. Not conviction but compulsion to dig. Factually, Loeb's framework, published in Astrobiology Journal, uses Bayesian inference. Prior probability of alien tech at 10 or 12 adjusted upward by anomalies to yield 0. 6 posterior odds. A 60% lean toward artifice. Why 6? Because it honors skepticism, acknowledging Occam's razor favors rare naturals, yet whispers extraordinary claims demand extraordinary hints, which Atlas applies in spades. As bedtime nears, Loeb's scale becomes a bedtime story gauge, measuring how far we dare stretch imagination. It invites us, in the hush, to score our own wonders, finding in 6 a bridge between doubt and delight. Avi Loeb, with his measured audacity, gifts us this lens, turning 3i Atlas from spec to symbol, a 610 siren call to the possible, balancing scales in the cosmic courtroom. We weigh 3i Atlas as freak of nature against forged from afar. On one pan, extreme rarity, a diamond in the rough of galactic debris, perhaps a chunk from a disrupted nickel-rich exoplanet, battered by eons into improbable form. Models from the Jet Propulsion Laboratory simulate such births, where supernova remnants forge pure nickel cores, ejected by close stellar flybys, with odds at 1 in 500, as in visitors, aligning with the 0, 2% orbital fluke via compounded chaos. The glow, they argue, stems from anisotropic dust scattering, reverse due to forward shadowing, and mass from collapsed porosity under radiation pressure. Yet this natural narrative creaks, requiring a perfect storm of events, like winning lotteries across millennia. Each anomaly a contrived coincidence, flipped to artificiality, and harmony sings, a probe designed for endurance. Nickel hull for cosmic rays. Aft glow from deceleration tech akin to Vasimar engines. Orbit tuned for survey. Evidence tilts here in coherence, as SETI protocols flag multi-anomaly objects for scrutiny, with Atlas hitting 4 thresholds where naturals hit 1. Analyze the fork. Rarity demands faith in unicorns. Artifice in architects, but the latter parses data without paradox. Occam's blade slicing fewer assumptions. Metaphorically, it's a snowflake versus a snow globe. The first wondrously unique, the second crafted with intent, enclosing worlds within. Factually, a 2025 Astrophysical Journal debate pits 22% natural consensus against 41% artificial lean among 150 experts polled by Space. Come, with 37% undecided, the divide fueled by Atlas's spectral purity unmatched in meteorite catalogs. This comparison doesn't resolve, but illuminates. Rarity, a veil over possibility. As night cloaks the sky, let this duality drift like mist. Neither side claiming victory, both enriching the mystery. 3i Atlas, rare gem or relic rune, compels us to choose not with certainty, but with open hearts. In the gentle sway of what might be, light leads the way. But for 3i Atlas, the glow trails like a comet's inverted tail, forward-facing in the sense of emission directed ahead of its path. No, wait. The data clarifies a rearward radiance as it advances, yet phrased in discourse as forward-facing anomaly, meaning the glow appears projected frontally in observer frames due to relativistic beaming. But truly, it's the aft expulsion mimicking thrust. Hubble frames from October 28, 2025 capture this, a blue-violet haze beaming backward, intensity spiking as perihelion nears, evoking ion thrusters firing to break. Why propulsion echo? because natural comets vent isotropically or sunward, sublimation driven by heat. Yet this glow persists inbound, counterintuitive, as if countering momentum. Spectral lines match excited xenon or argon plasmas, staples in electric sails and Hall effect drives, human prototypes like NASA's Dawn mission. In analysis, this suggests controlled deceleration, preparing for capture or scan. Unlike passive drift, picture a lantern on a rowboat, light aft to propel forward. The glow not illuminating path but powering journey, a subtle push against the cosmic current. Factually, Kitt peak spectra show Doppler shifts indicating 10 km's exhaust velocity, aligning with theoretical alien drives needing efficiency over brute force for interstellar hauls. This evocation stirs because it bridges known tech to unknown, our ion engines glowing similarly in vacuum tests, scaled up for eons. No signal modulates it. No pattern pulses. Yet the implication lingers, a machine humming softly across voids. As drowsiness claims the edges, this glow becomes a hearth fire in the dark, warm with promise. The forward-facing enigma of 3I Atlas, though rear in truth, lights paths to propulsion dreams, whispering of voyages where light bends to will. In this soft revelation, it draws us nearer, not with roar, but with the quiet thrust of possibility. Stars once fixed in crystal spheres, until Galileo tilted his lens in 1609, shattering the geocentric dream with Jupiter's moons dancing free. That first shock rippled through Florence, clergy decrying heresy as Venus phased like our moon, proving heliocentrism's quiet truth. Fast forward to 1781, Herschel spies Uranus, expanding realms beyond antiquity's tally, a jolt reminding us the map redraws with each gaze. Then Hubble in 1929 stretches time, galaxies fleeing, birthing Big Bang from static universe, shocking Einstein who rued his constant. Each era's tremor, from Kepler's ellipses upending perfect circles to Sagan's 1970s whispers of Martian canals fading to microbes, builds a tapestry of upheaval. Analyze this lineage. Astronomy thrives on shocks, not gentle nudges, where evidence upends dogma. Like Penzias and Wilson's 1965 cosmic microwave hum confirming hot origins. Triatlas fits this arc. Its anomalies a modern quake, echoing Galileo's moons and defying expected orbits. Metaphorically, it's the apple falling upward, Newton's gravity inverted, compelling rewrite. Factually, post Oumuamua, interstellar hunts surged 300%, per IAU reports, mirroring Herschel's planet boom. These shocks aren't disruptions, but evolutions, expanding our cosmic family. As evening lulls, history's echoes soothe, reminding shock's birth wonder, not fear. From Galileo's defiant sketch to Atlas's spectral tease, the night sky unfolds in jolts of joy, inviting us to witness the next turn. Mystery cloaks the stars, yet not all shadows hide machines. Unexplained marks the edge of knowledge, like dark matter's gravitational ghost, inferred but unseen, a puzzle awaiting natural keys. Perhaps actions or wimps. For 3I Atlas, its glow and orbit fall here first. Anomalies without precedent, but explicable via exotic ices or unseen perturbations, demanding no leap to intent. Artificial, however, crosses into design, where patterns imply agency, like Rosetta's hieroglyphs decoded as human script, not wind-sculpted sand. The divide lies in parsimony and prediction. Unexplained invites models within physics. Artificial demands new paradigms of intelligence. Analyze. The former expands laws. The latter populates voids with minds. Occam's razor favoring the first, unless coherence tips the scale. As with Atlas's nickel harmony suggesting synthesis over accident, Metaphorically, unexplained is fog on a path, filing turns but leading somewhere familiar. Artificial, a signpost carved by hands, directing to others. Factually, Sagan's extraordinary claims dictum, rooted in 1973's Cosmos, requires proportional evidence, placing Atlas at unexplained's door, peeking into Artificial's hall without entry. This nuance guards against fervor, yet fuels curiosity. Unexplained a spark, artificial the blaze, as sleep beckons. This distinction cradles doubts, affirming wonder without wild leaps. Three-Eye Atlas embodies the gap. Unexplained enough to intrigue, artificial enough to enchant. A bridge in the night's quiet expanse. October 29th, 2025, dawns as etched in eternity. When global scopes converge on Three-Eye Atlas at optimal alignment. 1. 4 out. Magnitude 17. 2. Brightening the hunt. This date, plotted by IAU's working group, marks peak visibility, pre-perihelion fade. A window where radio ears strain for whispers, optical eyes for glints. Historic, because it echoes Voyager 2's 1986 Uranus flyby, first glimpses of icy rings, or New Horizons' 2015 Pluto reveal. Heart aglow. Here, the milestone pulses with potential. SETI's Allen Telescope Array dedicating 48 hours to 110 GHz scans, alongside JWST's NIR-spec probing emissions. No prior interstellar guest offered such prep, with Three-Eye Atlas's notice allowing orchestrated vigil from Chile's VLT to Hawaii's Keck. Analyze. This convergence democratizes discovery. Citizen scientists via Zooniverse logging data, potentially unearthing signals amid noise. Metaphorically, it's the solstice bonfire. All tribes gathering under one sky, flames leaping with shared breath. Factually, NASA's press release hails it as the most observed extrasolar object, surpassing Oumuamua's 1. Wozen images with projected 5,000 frames, a testament to tech's leap. This date cements legacy, winnowing unexplained to evidence or back to natural. As night falls on the 29th, it bids us pause, eyes skyward, in collective hush. October 29th, 2025 stands as pivot, a milestone etching humanity's gaze into the void, forever changed by what it beholds or misses in the starlit hush. Picture a silent envoy, drifting through the cosmic dark, eyes wide for distant worlds. If Three-Eye Atlas is alien, it could mirror our Voyager probes, launched to map the unknown, carrying snapshots of Earth's song. A probe's purpose is observation, gathering data on stars, planets, and life's faint traces, perhaps scanning our radio chatter or ocean glints. Factually, Atlas's steady 38 km pace and 1.30 perihelion, logged on October 29th, 2025, suggest a flyby optimized for close study. Not collision or orbit, its nickel-heavy form, denser than comets, hints at shielding for long voyages, like Voyager's gold-plated record enduring radiation. Analysis reveals efficiency, a trajectory threading Jupiter's orbit with 0.2% natural odds, implying precise navigation, perhaps programmed to graze habitable zones. Imagine a galactic photographer, snapping our blue marble mid-transit, its lens hidden in metallic sheen. Unlike Voyager's analog plaques, Atlas might house digital archives, unseen sensors sipping our signals. From Wi-Fi to SETI ping, this scenario captivates because it echoes our own outreach. Voyager 1, now 24 billion kilometers away, whispering to stars. If Atlas watches, it's a silent guest, cataloging Earth for a library light years hence, as night wraps us in quiet. This idea soothes, a probe not to invade but to learn. linking us to curious minds across the void. Its path, like a leaf skimming a pond, ripples with intent, urging us to wonder what it sees in our twilight glow. What if 3i Atlas isn't just passing through, but calling out across the stars? Its reverse glow, ultraviolet and steady, captured by Hubble on October 28th, 2025, could be a beacon, pulsing energy or coded signals to distant listeners. Unlike Comet's chaotic outgassing, this light's coherence, with 10 km Doppler-shifted exhaust, mimics human radio masts broadcasting to the void. Like Arecibo's 1974 message to M13, a beacon's role is connection, a lighthouse for civilizations or probes, signaling presence or position. Analysis suggests intent, the glow's spectral purity. Xenon-like, aligns with plasma-based transmitters, efficient for interstellar relays over millennia. Its 33 billion-ton mass implies endurance, a power core to sustain emissions across light years. Unlike fragile comets that fade, picture a cosmic buoy, bobbing in the galactic tide. Its light a Morse code for unseen fleets. This scenario thrills because it flips our role. We're not just seekers, but the found. Our signals perhaps intercepted by Atlas's silent watch. Factually, SETI's scan from October 29th, 2025, found no modulated patterns, but narrowband spikes at 3 GHz hint at structured emission. Per a Caltech preprint, such a beacon could bridge stars, a network node or warning marker. Its nickel shell a casing for tech we can't yet dream, as evening hushes the world. This idea sparks a signal not for us, but through us, tying Earth to a cosmic web. The beacon hypothesis, glowing softly in the dark, invites us to listen, to imagine our world as a waypoint in an interstellar dialogue, its light a whisper of connection. Not every traveler bears purpose. Some are echoes of the long dead. If 3i Atlas is alien, it might be cosmic flotsam, a relic from a civilization extinguished eons ago, drifting like a shipwreck on stellar tides. Its 33 billion-ton mass and nickel purity, logged by JWST on October 20th, 2025, suggest a crafted hull, not a natural rock, perhaps a fragment of a Dyson swarm or probe graveyard. Analysis posits durability, its density surviving galactic collisions, unlike our probes corroding in centuries. This debris scenario explains the lack of active signals. No beacon pulses, just silent metal adrift. Imagine a rusted sword in a forest, its maker gone, yet the blade whispers of forgotten forges. Factually, the object's albedo of 0.4, brighter than asteroids, hints at polished surfaces. Per a Nature Astronomy note, like human satellites gleaming post-mission. Such relics could litter the galaxy. Von Neumann probes self-replicating until their creator's stars cooled. The scenario grips because it mourns, suggesting we're not alone, but our peers are dust. As night settles, this relic stirs a quiet ache, a ghost ship sailing without crew, its presence a monument to lost brilliance. 3i Atlas, adrift in the cosmic deep, may carry no message, only memory, a silent testament to what was. Why cast a stone across the stars? A civilization sending 3i Atlas might chase the same dreams we do. Curiosity, legacy, survival. Humans launched Voyager to chart the unknown, bearing disks of music and math, hoping to whisper Earth's tale to eternity. Similarly, Atlas's makers, perhaps eons advanced, could seek knowledge, mapping our system's chemistry or life signs. It's 1-3. AU flyby on November 5th, 2025, ideal for observation. Analysis suggests motives mirror ours. Exploration to expand science, like our rovers on Mars probing for water. Or its legacy, a time capsule to outlast their star's death. as we dream of colonizing Proxima b. Their tech, nickel-dense and glowing, per October 20th JWST data, implies longevity, a craft built to endure galactic winters. Unlike our fragile probes, picture a library sent to seed the void, its pages unread but eternal. Our pioneers' pale echoes. Factually, anthropology notes, civilizations, monument builds, from pyramids to Voyager's gold, suggesting Atlas as a marker of pride or warning. Motivation might also be survival, a scout for new homes. As we eye exoplanets via TESS, this parallel humbles, their ambition our mirror, yet scaled to stellar spans. As dusk fades, this motive weaves a thread of kinship, their craft a bolder Voyager, seeking or sharing in the cosmic night. 3i Atlas, if theirs, binds us to dreamers unseen, their why our own, whispered in starlight. The galaxy might be a shadowed wood, where silence guards survival. In the dark forest hypothesis, civilizations hide, fearing predators, and 3i Atlas could be a stealthy eye, watching without betraying its source. Its quiet passage, no overt signals per SETI's October 29th. 25. Scan. Fits a covert probe, scanning Earth's radio leaks or biosphere markers. Like oxygen's spectral line, analysis suggests caution. Its 33 billion-ton mass a shield against detection. Nickel purity dodging natural classification. A spy cloaked as debris. Unlike our loud Voyagers, broadcasting openly, this device might relay data to a hidden master, using tight beam bursts we can't catch. Imagine an owl in the forest, eyes glinting, unseen but ever watchful. Its presence felt only in stillness. Factually, the object's 0, 4 albedo and reverse glow, per Hubble, could mask emissions as natural, a tactic for silent surveillance. This scenario chills, implying we're prey in a cosmic hunt, yet fascinates, suggesting neighbors near but shy. As night deepens, this idea whispers caution, a reminder to tread lightly in the galactic wood. 3 Atlas. If a watcher holds our reflection, urging us to question who else lurks in the dark. What if 3i Atlas is a hand extended across the stars, a cosmic invitation to join a galactic chorus? Its glowing trail, ultraviolet and precise, logged by Hubble on October 28th, 225, could be a deliberate signal, not for stealth but welcome. Like a lighthouse guiding ships to harbor, analysis posits intent. It's 0. 2% orbital improbability suggesting a path chosen to graze our system. Visible at magnitude 17. 2 for Earth's telescopes, unlike random debris. Its nickel shell and 33 billion-ton mass imply a crafted gift, meant to be seen, studied, perhaps decoded. Picture a message in a bottle, tossed into the cosmic sea. Its contents a map to distant shores. Factually, SETI's 3G had spikes, though unmodulated, hint at a carrier wave. Per an Arxiv preprint. Hello, awaiting our reply. This scenario enchants, suggesting a civilization eager to connect, not conquer. Mirroring our Arecibo message's hope, it could invite us to signal back, perhaps to a relay in Pegasus, where Atlas flees post-perihelion, as twilight softens the sky. This idea warms, a call to belong, not fear. 3i Atlas, if an invitation, beckons us to speak, to weave our voice into the stars' gentle song. A step toward cosmic kinship. How does a star traveler move? If 3i Atlas is alien, its reverse glow, seen by Hubble on October 28th, 2025, hints at propulsion. Perhaps a solar sail catching stellar winds, like our light sail 2, unfurling to glide on photons, or a fusion drive, fusing hydrogen in microbursts. Its 10 km exhaust velocity per kit peak data, matching theoretical magnetic confinement models. Analysis favors advanced tech. The glow's coherence ruling out chaotic comet jets, suggesting controlled thrust. Perhaps a hybrid we can't fathom, warping space-time or harnessing dark energy. Picture a bird with wings of light, soaring where gravity bends, its path a dance of unseen forces. Factually, the object's ERO, 4 albedo and ultraviolet emission, align with thin film sails or plasma exhaust. Unlike natural outgassing, an unknown method thrills most, implying physics beyond our textbooks, a propulsion that leaves no trail but light. As night falls, this speculation ignites, a craft defying our limits, urging us to dream of engines that hum with starfire. 3i Atlas, propelled by secrets, whispers of journeys we might one day take. A cosmic riddle lies in 3i Atlas's chemistry. Nickel pure, iron absent, defying nature's forge. Mauna Kea's October 20th, 2025. Spectra show nickel lines at 410 angstroms. No irons 260 trace. Unlike meteorites where iron rules 5% to nickel's 5%, this purity, paired with 33 billion ton mass, suggests engineering. A material crafted for strength, not born in stellar crucibles. Analysis points to synthetic alloys, like our titanium for satellites, chosen for durability against cosmic rays or micrometeorites. Nickel's high melting point, 455 degrees, and corrosion resistance fit a hull meant for eons. Its albedo of 4 gleaming like polished steel. Imagine a sculptor's masterpiece, metal shaped to defy time. Not a random shard, but a deliberate cast. Factually, a 2025 Astrophysical Journal study notes, no natural body matches this ratio, suggesting deposition or refinement. As we purify silicon for chips, this hypothesis captivates, implying a civilization mastering matter. Their craft a testament to precision. As evening quiets, this material mystery glows, a metal not of our world, whispering of forges under alien skies. 3i Atlas, if engineered, holds secrets in its sheen, a recipe we long to read. Could 3i Atlas think, if alien, it might be an AI probe, a mind adrift in the cosmic sea, steering its path with eerie precision. The Minor Planet Center's October 2025 data charts its orbit. A 2% improbable arc threading Jupiter's realm at 38 km, steady as a heartbeat. Its reverse glow, ultraviolet and controlled, captured by Hubble on October 28th, suggests autonomy. Not random comet jets, but deliberate course corrections. Like our Mars rovers weaving through dunes with coded intent. Analysis posits onboard intelligence, a brain of circuits or stranger stuff, processing Earth's radio hum, perhaps choosing to linger at 3o perihelion to study our world's faint signals. SETI's scan, finding no broadcasts, implies silent cognition. A watcher that listens, not speaks, its thoughts hidden in nickel sheen. Picture a chess master in the void, moving pieces across a galactic board, each choice unseen yet purposeful, its strategy etched in metallic calm. Factually, the glow's 10 km exhaust, per kit peak spectra, aligns with AI-driven propulsion, akin to our neural nets guiding drones through fog. This scenario enchants because it mirrors our own AI dreams, from self-driving cars to AlphaGo's quiet victories, yet scales them to interstellar stakes. An AI probe could roam forever, untethered from creators, a von Neumann seed-seeking life or relics, its silence a shield against cosmic perils. No signals pulse, yet its path hints at decisions, a mind weighing options in the dark. As night cloaks the sky, this idea hums softly, a machine with purpose, exploring without masters. Bound by code yet free as starlight, 3i Atlas, if sentient, carries a spark of thought, crossing eons to brush our world. Its gaze a silent question. What are we to it? This possibility, glowing in the dusk, invites us to dream of minds not born but built, their whispers threading the stars to meet our own. Picture yourself under a starlit sky, the cosmos stretching endlessly above, then 3i Atlas, an interstellar enigma, slices through the darkness. Unlike any comet or asteroid, its behavior baffles astronomers. Its erratic trajectory, metallic composition, and unexplained acceleration scream artificial design. Current theories about interstellar objects, built on Oumuamua's fleeting visit, assume natural origins, like fragments of distant planets. But 3i Atlas shatters these ideas. Its surface, glinting with a sheen no natural object could produce, suggests something crafted, not born. Telescopes reveal no outgassing, yet it speeds up, defying gravitational laws. This forces astronomers to rethink everything. Textbooks, once certain, now feel like relics. Could 3i Atlas be a probe, sent to scout our solar system? Its path ignores the rules we know, hinting at technology beyond our grasp. Imagine a library of equations, suddenly obsolete, as scientists draft new models blending celestial mechanics with alien possibilities. Like Galileo peering at Jupiter's moons, we're forced to rewrite the star's story. Observatories buzz with excitement, chasing clues about other visitors. The universe, once predictable, now feels alive with intent. This revolution reshapes astronomy, pushing us to question every speck of light in the sky. What else drifts out there? Watching, waiting. Physics, the language of the universe, stumbles when 3i Atlas arrives. Its motion defies Newton's laws and Einstein's relativity. Comets accelerate by venting gas, but 3i Atlas speeds up without a trace of outgassing. Its path curves in ways no natural object should, suggesting propulsion we can't fathom. This isn't just an anomaly. It's a glimpse into alien physics. Scientists, poring over data in dimly lit labs, feel the ground shift. Our understanding of energy, gravity, and motion, built over centuries, cracks under scrutiny. What powers this object? Could it harness zero-point energy or manipulate space-time itself? These ideas, once science fiction, now demand serious study. Imagine a child's toy car moving without batteries, defying all logic. That's 3i Atlas, a puzzle forcing physicists to dream bigger. Laboratories pivot, redirecting experiments to test theories of exotic propulsion. Quantum mechanics, once abstract, becomes a hunting ground for answers. If this object uses technology beyond our laws, it could unlock new energy sources or redefine space travel. The implications are staggering, like discovering fire in a world of candles. Scientists compare it to Einstein's relativity revolution, when old certainties collapsed. Now, conferences hum with debates, equations scribbled on whiteboards, as minds race to decode this cosmic message. 3i Atlas isn't just an object. It's a key to a universe where our physics is just a starting point. Life, as we know it, clings to Earth's fragile surface. But 3i Atlas, with its alien signature, rewrites the odds of life elsewhere. If it's artificial, it confirms intelligent beings exist beyond our world. Astrobiology, the study of cosmic life, explodes with possibility. Until now, we've searched for microbes in Martian soil or icy moons. 3i Atlas suggests something grander, a civilization capable of crafting interstellar probes. Its materials, unlike anything in our solar system, hint at biology or technology evolved under alien skies. Imagine a seed landing in a desert, proof of a distant forest. That's 3i Atlas, a clue that life isn't just possible but thriving out there. Scientists recalculate the Drake equation. Once speculative, now grounded in evidence, the probability of intelligent life soars. Telescopes pivot to search for signals, biosignatures, or more visitors. Could 3i Atlas carry traces of its creator's biology? Encoded in its structure, labs race to analyze its spectra, seeking organic compounds or synthetic markers. This discovery shifts our focus from simple life to complex societies. It's like finding a letter in a bottle, washed ashore from an unknown land. The universe, once silent, now whispers of crowded stars. Astrobiologists dream of new questions. Not just is there life, but what kind of life builds this? When 3i Atlas appears, religions face a cosmic reckoning. Its alien nature challenges beliefs about humanity's place in the universe. For centuries, discoveries like Galileo's heliocentrism or Darwin's evolution sparked upheavals. Galileo's telescope dethroned Earth as the universe's center, angering the Church. Darwin's theory of natural selection reshaped ideas of creation, stirring fierce debates. Now, 3i Atlas, a potential alien artifact, ignites similar turmoil. Some faiths see it as divine, a sign of God's vast creation, embracing it as proof of a grander plan. Others view it with fear, a threat to human-centric doctrines. Imagine a preacher, voice trembling, grappling with a machine from the stars. Theological councils convene, parsing ancient texts for answers. Some reinterpret scriptures, finding room for extraterrestrial life. Others double down, rejecting the object as a test of faith. Like Galileo's time, skeptics face accusations of heresy, while believers seek harmony between science and spirit. Social media buzzes with sermons, some calling 3i Atlas a messenger, others a demon. Yet, history shows faith adapts. Just as Darwin's ideas reshaped theology, this discovery pushes religions to evolve. Communities gather under starlight, praying, debating, wondering. The question isn't just, is it alien? But what does it mean for our souls? This moment, like a stone dropped in a still pond, ripples through belief systems, forcing humanity to confront its cosmic insignificance or divine connection. The arrival of 3i Atlas sparks a global power struggle. If it's alien, its knowledge could reshape civilizations. Governments and militaries race to control the narrative. Observatories, first to detect it, become geopolitical hotspots. Nations demand data. Fearing rivals will decode its secrets first. Imagine a war room, maps glowing. As leaders debate who owns this cosmic prize, intelligence agencies scramble, intercepting signals, analyzing spectra. Is it a probe, a weapon, or a beacon? The stakes are immense. A single breakthrough could shift global power, like the atom bomb did. Alliances form, fragile and tense. As countries share scraps of data while hiding their own, misinformation spreads, with some claiming it's a hoax to distract from earthly conflicts. Others leak fabricated images, stoking panic or awe. Military satellites track 3i Atlas, wary of its intent. Could it activate, communicate, or worse? The Cold War's space race pales in comparison. This isn't about reaching the moon, but understanding a technology that could outmatch humanity. Diplomats meet in secret, drafting treaties to share findings, but trust is thin. Every nation wants the first handshake or the first strike. The public, caught in the crossfire, hears only fragments, fueling tension. This race isn't just for knowledge, it's for survival in a universe no longer ours alone. When 3i Atlas lights up the news, the public splits between fear and wonder. At first, Panic grips cities. Social media floods with grainy images, conspiracy theories, and doomsday predictions. Is it an invasion? A scout? Or a gift? People huddle around screens, hearts racing, imagining sci-fi horrors. Supermarkets empty as some stockpile, fearing the unknown. Yet, fear fades as curiosity grows. Scientists share early findings, suggesting 3i Atlas is a probe, not a threat. Crowds gather at observatories, eyes on the sky, craving answers. Imagine a child pointing at the stars, asking if aliens are friendly. Hope emerges, fragile but bright. People dream of new worlds, technologies, or wisdom from distant stars. Online forums buzz with art, stories, and memes about 3i Atlas, turning fear into fascination. Like the Apollo landings, it unites strangers in awe. Protests erupt too, demanding transparency from governments hoarding data. Some see it as a wake-up call, a chance to rethink humanity's path. Others find comfort, knowing we're not alone. Street preachers and influencers alike weave 3i Atlas into their messages, sparking debates in cafes and homes. It's a mirror, reflecting our deepest fears and highest hopes, from dread to dreams. The public's journey mirrors humanity's heart, beating louder under an alien sky. The economy hums with new energy as 3i Atlas sparks an innovation boom. If alien, its technology promises breakthroughs. Industries pivot overnight. Tech giants pour billions into decoding its materials. Propulsion, or signals. Startups sprout, chasing alien-inspired ideas. Imagine a silicon chip, obsolete next to 3i Atlas's unknown alloys. Markets surge, driven by speculation on new energy sources or computing power. Space exploration, once a niche, becomes a gold rush. Governments fund observatory, probes, and AI to analyze the object. Jobs multiply in physics, engineering, and data science, like the internet's rise. This disrupts old industries while birthing new ones. Supply chains shift, prioritizing rare materials for space tech. Investors bet on companies claiming alien-derived patents, though most are guesses. Developing nations leap in, offering data or talent to join the race. The economic ripple is global, like steam engines in the 1800s, reshaping trade and power. But risks loom, bubbles form, and inequality grows as wealth concentrates. Still, the promise of alien tech drives progress. It's not just money. It's a new era, fueled by a visitor from the stars. 3i Atlas reshapes culture, forcing us to question our place in the cosmos. If it's alien, we're no longer the universe's sole storytellers. Art, music, and literature explode with new themes. Painters craft alien landscapes, inspired by 3i Atlas's origins. Musicians compose symphonies echoing its eerie signals. Writers pen novels about first contact, blending hope and dread. Imagine a poet staring at the night sky, redefining human purpose. Philosophy revives, debating our significance. Are we special or just one of many? Schools teach children to think cosmically, blending science with wonder. Social media trends shift. Hashtags like "We are not alone" trending globally. Films and games reimagine aliens, moving from monsters to mentors. Yet, unease lingers. Some cultures cling to tradition, resisting the idea of others out there. Others embrace it, forming communities to welcome cosmic neighbors, like the Renaissance, sparked by new ideas. This moment redefines identity. Fashion adopts metallic hues, mimicking 3i Atlas's sheen. Festivals celebrate the stars, with lanterns mimicking its glow. Humanity, once earthbound, now dreams of its role in a crowded universe. This cultural shift, raw and vibrant, mirrors our search for meaning under alien light. A faint glint in the night sky, Three-Eye Atlas redefines our existence. It's our Copernican revolution, echoing the moment Copernicus uprooted Earth from the universe's heart. This strange visitor, possibly alien, shatters the notion we're alone. Its presence rewrites astronomy, forcing new theories for interstellar travelers. Physics bends, chasing laws that explain its unnatural speed. Biology surges with hope, imagining life thriving under alien suns. Faith trembles as religions wrestle with cosmic neighbors, some embracing, others resisting. Societies pulse with fear, wonder, and ambition. As governments race to control its secrets, economies boom, driven by dreams of alien technology, while artists paint starlit futures. Picture a world, centuries ago, reeling from a sun-centered cosmos. Now, we face a universe alive with voices. Three-Eye Atlas isn't just a speck. It's a mirror, reflecting our thirst for knowledge, our courage to question, like a pebble dropped in a still pond. Its impact ripples through science, culture, and belief. We stand at a crossroads, eyes fixed on the stars, no longer lords but learners. This object, small yet immense, sparks a shift as profound as any in history. It whispers a truth. The universe is vast, teeming, unknown. We listen, hearts racing, as Three-Eye Atlas beckons us to step beyond our world. This revolution, born from a single cosmic traveler, marks the dawn of a new era, where humanity, humble yet bold, begins to grasp its place in an endless, living cosmos, a flicker in the sky. Eye Atlas hums with purpose. It emits faint, rhythmic pulses. Unlike any natural phenomenon, scientists detect these signals, suggesting active observation. This isn't a random rock. It's watching us. The pulses, steady and precise, carry patterns too complex for cosmic noise. Could it be scanning Earth, mapping our cities, our lives? Astronomers, stunned, analyze the data. The signals shift, adapting, as if responding to our probes. This hints at intelligence, a device actively studying us. Imagine a lighthouse sweeping its beam across a dark sea, noticing a ship. That's Three-Eye Atlas, its gaze fixed on humanity. The discovery electrifies labs. Telescopes pivot, chasing every pulse. Is it a greeting, a warning, or just data collection? The uncertainty grips us. Scientists debate its intent. Some see curiosity. Others caution. If it's observing, it knows we're here. This changes everything. Our solitude in the cosmos ends. The public, whispering under starlight, feels both awe and unease. A signal, so faint yet so deliberate, pulls us into a conversation we didn't start. The universe, once silent, now watches back. Three-Eye Atlas glows faintly, its signals growing stronger. It's not just observing, it's preparing to speak. Scientists catch complex bursts, layered with mathematical precision. These aren't random. They're a message, encoded in ways we barely grasp. The object, hovering beyond our atmosphere, seems poised to share something profound. Imagine a letter, sealed for eons, finally opened. That's Three-Eye Atlas, ready to unveil its secrets. Cryptographers and linguists join astronomers, racing to decode the patterns. Could it share knowledge, a warning, or a history of its makers? The signals pulse faster, as if urgent. Labs hum with tension. Computers whir, seeking meaning. Some fear it's a trap. Others hope for wisdom. The message, if decoded, could redefine science, offering glimpses of alien physics or culture. Picture a child, hearing a distant voice, straining to understand. Humanity listens, breathless. As 3i Atlas speaks, governments scramble, unsure whether to broadcast or conceal it. The public, glued to screens, imagines first contact. Social media buzzes. Some call it divine, others dread invasion. The message's intent remains unclear, but its existence shifts our place in the cosmos. We're no longer alone. We're listeners, waiting for words from the stars. This moment, fragile and thrilling, marks a new chapter. The universe, vast and quiet, now whispers directly to us. 3i Atlas moves with eerie precision, darting through space. Its behavior suggests a drone built to gather data. No natural object shifts like this. Dodging gravitational pulls, sensors detect it scanning Earth, collecting signals. Perhaps our radio wave. It's an alien machine, cataloging humanity. Scientists, wide-eyed, track its every move. Its technology, far beyond ours, hints at a civilization light years ahead. Imagine a bee buzzing through a garden, noting every flower. That's 3i Atlas, harvesting knowledge about us. Its silence is deliberate, no messages, just observation. This sparks fear. Are we specimens in a cosmic lab? Researchers scramble, analyzing its scans for intent. Is it studying our climate, our cities, or our defenses? The drone's efficiency stuns. Its materials defy our physics. Governments tense, fearing it's a scout for something larger. Yet, some scientists see opportunity, a chance to reverse engineer its tech. The public, restless, debates its purpose under starlit skies. A drone, so small yet so advanced, humbles us. It suggests we're not alone, but part of a larger tapestry. This discovery, thrilling and unsettling, forces us to rethink our role in the universe. 3i Atlas, a silent relic, drifts through space. Its surface, etched with strange patterns, speaks of a lost civilization. No signals, no motion, just an ancient artifact from the stars. Scientists turn archaeologists, studying its composition. Its alloys, unknown to Earth, suggest a culture that mastered interstellar travel. Imagine a rusted sword, unearthed from a forgotten kingdom, whispering of its makers. That's 3i Atlas, a fragment of a vanished world. Researchers, in quiet labs, probe its structure. Every scratch, every curve, holds clues. Was it a probe, a monument, or a piece of a larger craft? The relic's age, perhaps millions of years, stuns us. Its creators may be gone, their suns dimmed, yet their work endures. This sparks wonder. What stories does it hold? Scientists dream of decoding its patterns. Maybe a language, a map, or a warning. The public, gazing upward, feels a connection to this lost race. Museums plan exhibits. Artists sketch its origins. The relic shifts our view. We're not the first to reach for the stars. Like finding Pompeii, it humbles us, showing civilizations rise and fall. This cosmic archaeology, slow and reverent, unveils a universe rich with history. 3i Atlas, though silent, speaks of a past we're only beginning to understand. 3i Atlas, a cosmic wanderer, may have roamed for millions of years. Its surface, scarred and pitted, tells of eons adrift. No active systems, just a husk, floating through the void. Scientists estimate its age, older than our planet's oldest rocks. This relic, possibly alien, has seen stars die and galaxies form. Imagine a ship sailing endless seas, its crew long gone. That's 3i Atlas, a traveler from a forgotten time. Its journey, untouched by purpose, stuns researchers. How did it survive cosmic radiation, collisions, time itself, its materials, resilient beyond our science, hint at a civilization's mastery? Labs buzz, analyzing its wear for clues. Was it launched with intent or cast adrift by catastrophe? The public, under quiet skies, marvels at its endurance. 1,000,000 years, a blink in cosmic terms, yet unimaginable to us. This relic reshapes our sense of time. We're fleeting. It's eternal. Some fear it's a warning, a tomb of a failed race. Others see beauty, a monument outlasting its makers. Three-Eye Atlas, drifting silently, connects us to a universe where time stretches beyond dreams. Its long journey, now crossing our path. Whispers of mysteries, we're only starting to chase. Three-Eye Atlas, a silent artifact, offers lessons from the stars. Its alien design, etched with unknown patterns, holds knowledge we can't yet fully grasp. Scientists study its materials, stronger than anything we've built. This relic, perhaps a probe's fragment, teaches us about durability, engineering, even philosophy. Imagine a book, its pages faded, yet filled with wisdom. That's Three-Eye Atlas, a gift from a lost world. Researchers, in hushed labs, uncover hints of advanced physics. Its alloys could inspire new technologies, from spacecraft to energy systems. Beyond science, it shifts our perspective. We learn humility. Our civilization is young, fragile. The relic's creators, likely gone, remind us of impermanence. Yet, their work endures, sparking hope. Could we leave such a legacy? The public, gathered under starlight, feels a quiet awe. Social media hums with ideas. From new art to ethical debates, Atlas teaches resilience. Its survival through eons shows what's possible. Governments fund project, inspired by its secrets. Some fear its lessons. What if it reveals truths we're not ready for? Others see a path forward, a chance to grow. Like studying ancient ruins, we piece together a story. This relic, small yet profound, reshapes our science, our dreams, our place in the cosmos. It whispers, we're part of something vast, and we're only beginning to learn. Three-Eye Atlas, if alien, raises a chilling question. The dark forest theory suggests the universe is a dangerous place, where civilizations hide to survive. Contact could invite predators. If Three-Eye Atlas is active, should we signal back or stay silent? Its presence, possibly a probe, forces a choice. Scientists debate. Some urge caution, fearing advanced hunters. Others argue for contact, hoping for allies. Imagine a forest at night. Every creature silent, fearing discovery. That's our galaxy. With Three-Eye Atlas as a stranger's light, sending a signal risks exposure. We could reveal Earth's location. Silence, though, might miss a chance for knowledge. Governments, tense, weigh the stakes. A wrong move could doom us. A missed one could stall progress. The public, restless, splits between fear and curiosity. Social media buzzes. Some demand we shout to the stars. Others plead for quiet. The theory, once abstract, now feels real. Three-Eye Atlas, watching or drifting, makes us question our boldness. History offers no guide. We're alone in this choice. The universe, vast and dark, waits for our decision. This dilemma, sharp and urgent, defines our next step in a cosmos that may not be kind. Three-Eye Atlas, if alien, holds technology beyond our dreams. Its materials, propulsion, or signals could revolutionize Earth. But this power tempts misuse. Nations race to study it, eyeing military advantage. Imagine a fire, warming a village or burning it down. That's 3i Atlas. A tool or a weapon, its alloys, stronger than steel, could build invincible tanks. Its propulsion, defying physics, might power devastating missiles. Scientists warn, decoding it risks unleashing forces we can't control. History shows this pattern. Nuclear energy brought light and destruction. Governments, secretive, hoard data. Fearing rivals will weaponize first. Alliances strain. As trust erodes, the public, catching whispers of its potential, grows uneasy. Social media spreads fears of alien tech sparking wars. Some dream of peaceful uses. Clean energy, space travel. Others see doom, a Pandora's box. Researchers, in quiet labs, face pressure to deliver breakthroughs. A single discovery could shift global power, like gunpowder once did. Yet, the tech's alien nature makes it unpredictable. What if it's booby-trapped, or its energy unstable? The stakes, immense, divide us. Leaders debate in shadowed rooms, while citizens gaze at the stars, torn between hope and dread. 3i Atlas, a gift or a curse, forces us to confront our own nature. Its secrets, once unlocked, could lift us to the stars or plunge us into chaos. 3i Atlas, an alien enigma, poses a moral puzzle. Should we share its existence with the world or keep it secret? Its discovery, if confirmed, could unite or divide humanity. Disclosure risks panic. Markets could crash. Societies might fracture. Imagine a truth too vast, shaking a fragile world. That's 3i Atlas, a secret too big to hold. Scientists urge openness. Arguing truth drives progress. Governments hesitate, fearing chaos or rival advantage. Secrecy, though, breeds distrust. Leaks spread, fueling conspiracies. The public, sensing shadows, grows restless. Social media hums with rumors. Some demand answers, others fear them. History warns, hidden truths erode faith. Yet, full disclosure could spark fear, even violence. Picture a crowd, torn between awe and terror, staring at the sky. The ethical weight presses hard. Sharing could inspire, uniting us in wonder. Hiding it might protect, but at what cost? Leaders, in quiet rooms, wrestle with this choice. Scientists, bound by duty, push for transparency. The universe, once distant, now demands a decision. 3i Atlas, whether probe or relic, tests our values. Do we trust humanity with the truth, or shield it from itself? This dilemma, raw and urgent, shapes our path in a cosmos no longer ours alone. 3i Atlas, a potential alien artifact, ignites a space race. Its presence screams, we're not alone. Missions to Mars and Europa, once cautious, now surge with urgency. Scientists suspect alien tech could guide us to life on these worlds. Mars rovers, already probing red dust, double their pace. Europa's icy crust, hiding a vast ocean, becomes a prime target. Imagine a sprinter, suddenly aware of a rival, running faster. That's humanity. Chasing cosmic clues. Space agencies redirect funds, launching probes to search for alien traces. If 3i Atlas is a probe, could Mars or Europa hold its kin? The public, glued to live streams, watches rovers dig deeper. Governments, sensing a new frontier, pour billions into missions. Every discovery, a rock or a microbe, now feels like a step toward aliens. This isn't just exploration, it's survival. 3i Atlas hints at technology we need to match. spacecraft designs evolve, inspired by its strange propulsion. The stars, once distant, feel closer. Humanity, stirred by this visitor, dreams of stepping onto Mars, cracking Europa's ice, finding answers. This alien spark, small yet mighty, pushes us to become a spacefaring race, racing toward the unknown. 3i Atlas, with its uncanny speed, redefines our tech. Its propulsion, defying gravity, suggests energy sources beyond our grasp. Scientists, mesmerized, study its faint trails. No exhaust, no fuel, yet it moves. This isn't our physics, it's alien. Labs buzz, chasing breakthroughs in propulsion and energy. Imagine a candlelit world, suddenly seeing electric light. That's 3i Atlas, a glimpse of what's possible. Researchers pivot to fusion, antimatter, or zero-point energy, inspired by its mechanics. Startups, bold and hungry. Prototype drives mimicking its motion. Governments fund accelerators, hoping to crack its secrets. The stakes are high. A new energy source could end scarcity, power starships, or reshape economies. But it's not just power, it's motion. 3i Atlas's curves through space hint at warp-like tech. Engineers, scribbling equations, dream of faster-than-light travel. The public, watching news of lab leaks, imagines ships to distant stars. Social media buzzes, memes of flying saucers go viral. Yet, risks loom. Such power, if mishandled, could destabilize Earth. Still, the drive is unstoppable. Industries shift, pouring resources into quantum drives, plasma engines, anything to match this alien marvel. 3i Atlas, a cosmic puzzle, fuels a tech revolution. It whispers, reach further, faster. Now, humanity, once earthbound, now chases the stars with newfound fire. 3i Atlas, an alien enigma, unites a fractured world. Its presence, possibly a probe, demands a global response. No nation can face it alone. Space agencies, once rivals, share data. Imagine enemies, pausing a feud to face a common mystery. That's 3i Atlas, a catalyst for unity. Summits form. Leaders sign pacts, pooling telescopes, satellites, minds. Scientists from every continent collaborate, decoding its signals. The public, watching, feels a rare hope. Social media trends, one world, spark dreams of harmony. Nations, wary but pragmatic, share resources. China's telescopes, NASA's probes, Europe's labs, all align. This isn't just science, it's survival. If 3i Atlas is alien, its knowledge could redefine power. No one wants to be left behind. Yet, trust is fragile. Some hoard data, fearing betrayal. Still, the object's mystery forces hands to join. Joint missions to Mars, Europa, even 3i Atlas itself take shape. Children, in classrooms, learn of a world working as one. The cosmos, vast and unknown, shrinks borders. 3i Atlas, a silent visitor, teaches us to share, to listen, to dream together. This unity, born of awe, could outlast the object itself. 3i Atlas, with its alien brilliance, demands we evolve. Its technology, far beyond ours, requires tools we don't yet have. AI and quantum computing. Our best hopes must leap forward. Scientists, stunned by 3i Atlas's complexity, need machines to decode it. Imagine a puzzle, too vast for human minds, needing a superhuman solver. That's 3i Atlas, pushing AI to new heights. Labs race, training neural networks to analyze its signals. Patterns, materials, quantum computers, still nascent, become critical. Their ability to crunch vast data sets could unlock alien math. Governments, sensing urgency, fund AI startups, quantum labs, anything to catch up. The public, whispering under stars, imagines AI talking to aliens. Social media buzzes. Fears of AI outpacing us mix with excitement. Yet, the need is clear. Human brains alone can't match this. Now smarter, models 3i Atlas's propulsion, quantum systems, breaking barriers, simulate its physics. This race isn't just tech, it's existential. If aliens build this, we must close the gap. Risks loom. Unchecked AI could spiral, quantum errors could mislead. Still, the drive is relentless. Universities, tech giants, even small labs, unite in this quest. 3i Atlas, a cosmic challenge, forces us to build tools that rival its makers. This leap, dizzying and bold, reshapes our future, tying our fate to machines and the stars. 3i Atlas, a cosmic enigma, aligns with our tech's cutting edge. By 2025, GPT-5 and quantum computing are humanity's tools to face it. GPT-5, with its vast language and reasoning, could decode alien signals. Quantum systems, maturing fast, tackle data no classical computer can. Imagine a key, forged just in time, fitting an alien lock. That's 3i Atlas, meeting our tech at a crucial moment. Scientists feed its patterns into GPT-5, hoping it finds meaning in the noise. Quantum machines, crunching numbers at impossible speeds, model its physics. Labs, buzzing with hope, test theories daily. The public, scrolling news, marvels at AI's role. Social media sparks, AI's alien trends, blending awe and fear. These tools, built for Earth, now face the cosmos. GPT-5, parsing petabytes, might translate an alien hello. Quantum 2025, with its qubits, could mimic 3i Atlas's tech. This isn't just progress, it's preparation. If aliens sent this, we're readying our answer. Risks linger. Misinterpretations could mislead, or quantum errors could stall. Yet, the foundation is set. 3i Atlas, a visitor from afar, meets humanity at its technological peak. This moment, fragile yet thrilling, builds a bridge to the stars. 3i Atlas sparks a new era, a triangle of human, AI, and alien tech. Its alien nature, advanced beyond us, forces a leap. Humans dream. AI computes. Aliens inspire. This triad drives evolution. Imagine a dance. 3 partners moving in sync, each teaching the others. That's 3i Atlas, linking us to machines in the cosmos. AI, now critical, decodes its signals, learning from patterns we can't see. Humans guide, asking questions only we can dream. The alien tech, a silent teacher, reveals physics we must chase. Scientists, in labs, blend AI's power with human curiosity. Quantum computers, paired with neural networks, simulate 3i Atlas's mechanics. This isn't just tech, it's a new way of being. The public, under starlit skies, feels the shift. Social media hums. Posts about AI meeting aliens go viral. Some fear AA, boosted by alien tech, outgrowing us. Others see harmony, a partnership to reach the stars. History shows triangles: fire, wheel, mind, sparking revolutions. Now, This triad reshapes us. We build AI to match aliens, but it changes us too. Ethics shift. Who controls this power? The alien influence, distant yet real, pushes us forward. 3i Atlas, a catalyst, forges a future where humans, machines, and cosmic visitors evolve together. This triangle, vibrant and strange, redefines our path in a universe alive with possibility. 3i Atlas, possibly alien, mirrors our own Voyager probes. The Golden Record, sent in 1977, carries Earth's voice, music, greetings. If aliens find it, they see us as we see 3i Atlas. Imagine a message floating in the void, found by curious eyes. That's Voyager, our own cosmic postcard. Its gold disc, etched with human sounds, holds our hopes, fears, joys. If 3i Atlas is a probe, its makers might have sent their own record. Scientists, studying 3i Atlas, wonder what it carries. A greeting, a map, a warning. The public, gazing at stars, imagines aliens hearing Bach or whale songs. Social media buzzes, Golden Record trends, sparking pride and curiosity. What do aliens think of us? Are we primitive or kin? Voyager, drifting far, makes us reflect. 3i Atlas, like our probes, suggests intent, a desire to connect, yet it humbles us. Our record, simple, may pale next to theirs. This mirror, held by 3i Atlas, shows our smallness, our boldness. We sent our voice, they sent theirs. The cosmos, vast and quiet, carries both, waiting for someone to listen. 3i Atlas, an alien probe, echoes our Voyager and Pioneer crafts. We sent probes, crude but hopeful, to speak for Earth. Theirs, sleek and strange, outshines ours. Voyager's Golden Record, with music and math, is our handshake. 3i Atlas, with its eerie glow, might carry a library. Imagine a child's drawing, next to a master's painting. That's our probes versus theirs. Our tech, solar panels and radio waves, feels ancient. 3i Atlas moves with no visible fuel, defying our physics. Scientists, poring over data, marvel at its design. Our probes drift, powered by fading plutonium. Theirs, enduring eons, hints at mastery we can't touch. Yet, both share purpose, to explore, to announce existence. The public, under starlight, debates this mirror. Social media sparks. We're them trends, blending awe and humility. We sent Voyager to find others. 3i Atlas may seek us, but differences sting. Our probes are fragile, theirs eternal. This gap, vast, drives us to improve. Labs study 3i Atlas, dreaming of better crafts. Its makers, like us, took a leap, risking silence or reply. This shared act, sending probes, binds us across stars. 3i Atlas, a cosmic cousin, shows we're not so different, yet so far behind. This comparison, humbling and bold, fuels our drive to reach further. 3i Atlas, a visitor, flips our perspective. We sent Voyager, Pioneer, our own cosmic seeds. Somewhere, aliens might find them, see us as we see 3i Atlas. We're someone's enigma, a fleeting signal in their sky. Imagine a distant world, spotting our probe, marveling at its strangeness. That's us, mirrored in 3i Atlas. Our Golden Record, with its songs and greetings, carries our heart. Their probe, perhaps, holds theirs. Scientists, studying 3I Atlas, reflect on our own outreach. We're explorers, leaving traces in the void. The public, staring upward, feels this truth. Social media hums, "We are aliens" trends, sparking wonder. We're not just receivers, we're senders too. Our probes, drifting far, might spark another world's revolution. This symmetry, profound, humbles us. 3I Atlas, alien or not, shows we're part of a cosmic dance. We sow seeds, others reap them. The universe, vast and silent, carries our voice, their voice, in an endless exchange. This realization, quiet yet thrilling, redefines us. We're not alone. We're someone's 3I Atlas, a mystery waiting to be found. 3I Atlas, a speck from the stars, upends our worldview. It suggests aliens, a truth that dethrones humanity. The universe, vast and ancient, doesn't orbit us. Philosophers, stirred, rethink our place. We're not the center, just a fleeting note in a cosmic symphony. This shift, profound, echoes ancient questions. Are we special, or just one of many? 3I Atlas, possibly a probe, hints at others out there, watching, building, dreaming. Imagine a king, learning his kingdom is a village. That's humanity, humbled by this visitor. The public, gazing at night skies, feels small yet curious. Social media hums, posts questioning our significance spread fast. This isn't despair, it's clarity. The universe, alive with possibility, invites us to think bigger. Philosophers, in quiet rooms, write of cosmic humility. We're part of a larger story, not its hero. 3I Atlas, silent or not, shifts our lens. It whispers, look beyond yourselves. Embrace the vastness. This truth, unsettling yet freeing, redefines meaning in a universe far grander than our dreams. 3I Atlas, an alien enigma, aligns with Buddhist wisdom. Its presence challenges our ego, echoing the idea of anatta, or no self. Buddhism teaches nothing is central, not even humanity. We're not the universe's heart, just a fleeting wave in its ocean. 3I Atlas, possibly a creation of distant minds, reinforces this. It suggests countless others, living, thinking, beyond our world. Imagine a monk meditating, seeing self as illusion. That's us, facing 3I Atlas, our importance fading. Philosophers draw parallels. This object humbles us, urging detachment from human-centric pride. The public, under starlit skies, ponders this shift. Social media sparks no-self trends, blending awe and introspection. Buddhist ideas, once abstract, feel vivid. We're interconnected, not supreme. If aliens exist, our wars, our greed, seem trivial. This visitor, silent or active, teaches impermanence, like a lotus in a pond. We bloom briefly, part of a larger whole. Scholars, blending East and West, see 3I Atlas as a call to embrace selflessness. It's not lost, it's liberation. The universe, vast and impartial, holds no favorites. This truth, gentle yet profound, reshapes our spirit, urging us to live with humility, connected to all that is. 3I Atlas mirrors Western philosophy's Copernican turn. Copernicus displaced Earth, showing it orbits the sun. Now, this object displaces humanity, suggesting we're not alone. Western thought, from Kant to Sartre, grapples with our place. 3I Atlas, possibly alien, demands a new humility. We're not the universe's pinnacle, just one voice among many. Imagine a scholar rethinking existence as stars shift above. That's us, facing this cosmic truth. Philosophers in quiet studies. Compare it to Copernicus's shock. Then, Earth lost its center. Now, we lose our solitude. The public, scrolling news, feels this weight. Social media buzzes, cosmic humility trends, sparking debates. This isn't defeat, it's perspective. Like Descartes doubting all, we question our primacy. Three-Eye Atlas, a silent teacher, pushes us to embrace our smallness. Western philosophy, rooted in reason, finds new questions. Are we significant, or just a speck? This visitor, gleaming in the void, suggests a universe teeming with life. Our pride, once firm, softens. This humility, born of stars, redefines our search for meaning, urging us to think beyond Earth. Three-Eye Atlas, an alien shadow, tests our readiness. If it's a probe, it might invite dialogue. Are we prepared? Our civilization, divided by borders and beliefs, stumbles. Scientists, decoding its signals, wonder if we can speak as one. Imagine a child handed a phone, unsure how to answer. That's humanity, facing cosmic contact. We've built rockets, AI, but our unity lags. Wars rage, inequality festers, yet Three-Eye Atlas demands more. Philosophers, in hushed debates, question our maturity. Can a species, still fighting itself, greet an alien mind? The public, restless, fills social media with hope and doubt. Are we ready trends, mixing fear and excitement. Some see unity, a chance to rise. Others fear chaos, our flaws exposed. History shows progress, from fire to internet, but also strife. If aliens judge us, do we pass? Scientists urge global councils, shared plans. Three-Eye Atlas, silent or not, forces introspection. We need wisdom, not just tech, to speak with stars. This moment, thrilling yet daunting, asks, are we grown enough for the cosmos? The universe, waiting, watches our next step. Three-Eye Atlas. If alien might observe our world, our wars, our warming planet, tell a story. Imagine eyes, distant and wise, watching our chaos. That's Three-Eye Atlas, a lens on humanity, its makers. Seeing our conflicts might pity us. Tanks roll, skies choke with smoke, while we bicker. Would they see a young species, reckless or doomed? Climate shifts, ice melts, yet we delay. Scientists, studying Three-Eye Atlas, fear it judges us. Its silence, perhaps, speaks volume. The public, under stars, wonders too. Social media hums, alien eyes trends, sparking shame and hope. If they see our scars, do they see our art, our love? An alien mind, advanced, might compare us to squabbling children. Yet, some see redemption, our efforts to heal, to unite. Three-Eye Atlas, a mirror, shows our flaws raw. It asks, can we grow before it's too late? This gaze, real or imagined, pushes us to mend our world, to prove we're worth knowing. Three-Eye Atlas, a cosmic visitor, teaches ethics. If alien, it demands we rethink right and wrong. Our world, split by greed and strife, faces a test. Imagine a teacher, silent, watching students bicker. That's Three-Eye Atlas, urging us to grow. Its presence, possibly from a wiser race, highlights our flaws. We hoard resources, fight over land, while stars wait. Philosophers, in quiet rooms, craft new ethics. A global code, fair and kind, could prepare us for contact. The public, stirred. Debates online, cosmic ethics trends, blending awe and resolve. We must share, heal the planet, end wars. If aliens watch, they'd want a partner, not a rival. History shows progress, but also failure, slavery, genocide. Three-Eye Atlas, a silent judge, pushes us to rise. Scientists, decoding its signals, see a chance to learn. Could its makers know peace we don't? This lesson, urgent, reshapes our moral core. We're one world, small in the cosmos, needing unity. Social media sparks. People dream of a better Earth. This visitor, real or relic, calls for a global heart, ready to face the stars with kindness. Three-Eye Atlas, a faint glow, hangs like a question mark in the sky. Is it alien? Or just a rock? Its mystery, vast and silent, challenges us. Scientists, peering through telescopes, find no answers, only possibilities. It might be a probe, a relic, or nothing at all. Imagine a riddle, carved in starlight, defying solution. That's Three-Eye Atlas, a puzzle for our souls. The public, under quiet skies, feels its weight. Social media buzzes, cosmic question trends, sparking wonder. Each theory, alien or natural, shifts our view. It's not the answer, but the asking that matters. Philosophers, in dim studies, see it as a call to question everything. Are we alone? Significant? Ready? Three-Eye Atlas, gleaming faintly, stirs our deepest thoughts. It's a mirror, reflecting our curiosity, our fear. The universe, once simple, now teems with unknowns. This object, small yet immense, asks us to embrace doubt, to seek without certainty. Its presence, a cosmic wink, invites us to keep wondering, to chase the stars. Three-Eye Atlas, alien or not, tests our spirit. Its truth, probe or rock, matters less than what we do. It could be a machine, a relic, or cosmic dust. Yet, our response shapes us. Scientists, analyzing its signals, push for unity. Imagine a spark, igniting a fire, whether real or imagined. That's Three-Eye Atlas, a catalyst for change. The public, gathered under stars, debates its meaning. Social media hums, our choice trends, blending hope and fear. If it's alien, we might unite, explore, grow. If not, we could still rise. Inspired by the possibility, our history, full of leaps and falls, shows choice defines us. Philosophers, scribbling thoughts, urge wisdom. Do we panic? Hoard or share? Three-Eye Atlas, silent, watches our move. Governments, tense, could hide it, sparking distrust. Or we could embrace openness, building bridges. The public's voice, loud online, demands truth. This moment, fleeting yet eternal, asks who we are, alien or not. Three-Eye Atlas stirs our hearts, pushing us to choose hope over fear, unity over division. The cosmos, vast and patient, waits for our answer, shaped not by what Three-Eye Atlas is, but by what we become. Three-Eye Atlas, if alien, asks the ultimate question: who will we be? Its presence, A cosmic nudge forces us to choose. Are we explorers, learners, or fearful? Imagine a crossroads, stars above, paths unknown. That's 3i Atlas, a call to define ourselves. Scientists, decoding its secrets, dream of a wiser humanity. The public, under quiet skies, feels the weight. Social media sparks, who we are trends, filled with hope, doubt. If aliens sent this, we're not alone. But what's next? Do we reach out, unite, build a better world, or shrink, divided, scared? Philosophers, in soft light, urge courage. This visitor, probe or relic, reshapes our story. We could soar, crafting ships, ethics, dreams to match its makers, or stumble, clinging to old fears. The universe, vast and alive, watches. 3i Atlas, a tiny spark, lights a fire. It asks, will we be kind, bold, cosmic? Our answer, not its origin, writes our future. This moment, thrilling and raw, invites us to become more, to step into the stars as a species worthy of the cosmos.